Hi everybody, it's Glenn Leader here again with Mobile Community Control video, and in this one we're going to talk about getting yourself organised. If you get yourself organised properly, then you're going to get off to a flying start. It's like any project. Once you've done the basic background work you need to do, then the rest of your work is going to be an awful lot easier, and that's what this video is going to show you in terms of the Mobile Community Control. So let me just go to my archive that you've received, your zip file. Now when you open your zip file when you extract your zip file, should I say, to your desktop probably to begin with, you'll see the MCC folder there. You won't see the archive folder, that's just me tidying up to keep things a wee bit simpler. And upon opening MCC, you will see two files. You've got the readme first, which I encourage you to read, the uploads folder, and that contains all the code you need. Now you don't have to worry about this code, you simply use it, and you get the default template, and you get a UK locksmith template, which is the template used for the other demos that you'll see throughout. So you've got two demos, you've got the New York directory and you've got the UK locksmith directory too. And then we also have the lead capture page, which contains a system for. So that's what we have, and also the how it works video as well. Now in the previous video we looked at our keyword that we want to work with. So the first thing I want to do is to actually get myself organised in terms of the work we're going to do. So the first thing I really want to do is to create a new folder. I'm going to call that New York. And I'm going to copy a copy of uploads into New York. So right click and copy, then I'm going to paste it into there. So we now have two lots of uploads. Now when you go through this project, you'll find that you'll have more and more folders within here. It's because we're going to build one folder per keyword that we're targeting. Now in the previous video we looked at all the keyword research and decided that hotel in New York was going to be our keyword that we're going to target. And in the first video, when I introduced you to what Mobile Community Control was all about, you saw that there was a number of niches available that I've already used, but I'm going to start from scratch as you will, and that's why I've decided to start from hotel in New York. But in reality, in my other folder, you'll see a number of other folders as well, and I'll show you that after I've shown you this work. So next thing we need to do is we need to rename that, and as I said, we need one folder per keyword we're targeting. So the keyword we're looking for is hotel in New York. Oops, and I can't type. Hyphen in hyphen. Now as you'll see, I've separated all the keywords with hyphens. That's because some servers don't like you using spaces. So we're going to now open that folder, and we have everything we need. We have the admin folder, which is going to be uploaded to the server later. We've got the directory front end, which again is going to be uploaded, and the images folder. In the images folder you'll see a number of images, and the one you'll want to edit will be the logo.png, but I'll show you that at a later date. You don't need to worry about that right now. Okay, so with that, that terminates this video. I just wanted to quickly show you what you needed to do to get organised, and very quickly I'm going to show you the other website that's got a lot more information in, so you see what your website will develop, or your keyword folder. Don't forget we're in New York. Then we have hotel in New York. So I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like once you've got a number of other keywords that you're already working on. And as I said, I'm going to show you the one for the New York directory. Okay, here we are rather. as you can see, there are a number of folders. It looks like there was more on the actual video when I showed you the introduction. That's mainly because when I went into Restaurant New York, you'll see a number of other folders there, and also that I may well have added an extra couple of folders since then as well, when I was developing the code and actually make it more and more sophisticated, more and more easy to use for you guys. So that's what you'll ultimately end up with, and you may well end up with some sub-niches too. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. I hope you found that you're now going to get off to a flying start, because you will build a number of folders within your niche. In this case, as I said in the demo, it's going to be New York, but it could be London or Sydney, Australia, or Ontario, Canada, I believe that's it. I'm not a great geographist, as you can probably gather. So enjoy. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to scrape our data so that we can start building your directories. Thank you very much for watching.